If you like this look, stay tuned.
Alright, so boom. Basically, I'm about to just do my eyebrows and I'm literally going to draw them on. And I'm literally using this tiniest pencil because I need to buy a new one, but I just outline how I want them to look, shade them out, and it's as simple as that. There's nothing to it. Alright, now I got this little Anastasia palette. I use the lightest color because the lighter the concealer, the brighter the y'all know, the brighter the eyeshadow look. So excuse my beauty blender, but it's a little dirty. But I get in there. Now this is I'm using this brown, so I can use it as my transition color, and it just helps it like pop and it differentiates. Like it has nothing to do with the look, but it just helps the color transition between the two colors I'm about to use. Then I'm about to use this bomb as purple, and yeah, just take a look. Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. You better cut that crease, y'all. And I find that this the Beverly Hills like palette, like that color, like it just makes it like I don't have to set the concealer when I cut it or anything like I have used to with other concealers. Oh nah, like I really look good.
Baby,